Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I haven't the slightest clue of what's in here. Usually I have some, some idea of what might be. I can't remember at all what's coming in. So, we're going to find out together as per usual. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can find my Patreon link right down in the description. And please, if you have not, get attention. If you have not, if you have not followed me on Instagram yet, please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I am extremely active on Instagram. Sometimes you get sneak peeks of stuff that hasn't been shown on the channel yet. So, yeah. Sometimes I share my acquisitions days or even weeks before they even show up on the channel. People are like, why would we care? I don't know. You might. Oh, boy. Okay, 1 and 2. Very well packed. It looks like there's a note. Or it feels like, yes. It says note. Fantastic. Whoops. Oh, email. Okay. Let's take a look at the note here. Dear Metal Complex, I've been watching your vids for a while now, and I can appreciate the content you put out. And I appreciate the content you put out. I included in the box a small gift to the channel. Consider it a tactical steak knife. Like Nick Shabazz would say, it's a bit of a jackass knife. But I hope you get a kick out of it. Keep up the A+ content. I look forward to another year of great videos. Kyle. Thank you very much, Kyle. What an excellent note. And thank you for giving me your contact information. He messaged me. I think I know what this is. This is funny. So he told me, he was like, oh, I didn't realize that you had one that, you know... Wait a second. What is this? Well, hold on. I don't want to get ahead of myself. Oh, it's just wrapped up like... Yeah. So, he messaged me and he was like, I didn't realize you had one and we're giving one away. You know what? It's okay. Because people were pretty excited about this. I now have another Cold Steel Frenzy. Maybe I'll keep this one. Maybe I'll keep this one for myself. Right? Hang on here. Let's open this guy up real quick. I gave one of these away. The one I gave away was blue. And it was also... this is cool. It's like gray and black. Yeah, the pocket sword, or tactical steak knife, as he puts it. Cold Steel Frenzy in layer G10 and S35VN. I kind of like that black and gray G10. Maybe I'll keep this one. I appreciate that, Kyle. Thank you so much. Gifts are always appreciated. Never, you know, something that I require. It's just nice. Oh boy, I just put tape down on my background. There we go. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. He did not have to do that, and that's not an inexpensive gift. So it's really nice when people do stuff like that. Thank you. I'm sure you guys can tell what's in this box. I talked with a Benchmade rep, and he kept calling it the Adamas. I've been saying Adamas for like 10 years. I can't question whether or not I'm wrong anymore. That guy was from I don't know. I think you can say whatever you want, right? But maybe it actually is pronounced that way. Yeah. I have never shown this knife on this channel. God, I always forget how gigantic these are. Man, that is a big, beefy boy. So, a lot of you guys know that the Adamas is back for 2021 in a new steel. And if you didn't know that, well, check out the links right down below. Because this guy, currently, and the new ones that are coming out, are... going to be, I think, listed for pre-order down below. And the auto version is also coming back. And there's a mini Adamas or Adamas that's also coming back. So the intention here was to get a hold of one of these, one of the originals in D2. And then Benchmade is actually sending me some of the newer ones. So I should be able to offer down the road, for anybody who's wondering, no, this is not the review, this is just an unboxing. But because I've never reviewed the Adamas on this channel, it would be fun to compare and contrast with the new ones. So I should be able to give a very detailed, comprehensive review between the new models and this guy right here. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this is a freak beast of a knife. And I think this is a Shane Seibert design. Yeah, it is. These guys were in D2. Big, robust. This is probably the meatiest axis lock that exists. It's huge. Big, thick, powerful. People really like this knife. And every time I go to my local retailer, I handle these. Every time. Because they're just so massively overbuilt. And I like that. You know, it's cool. And I think these have a pretty good history. I think people have really taken these things out and beaten on them over the years. I think there's a lot of evidence of that online, you know, in forums or, you know, on YouTube. And so, yeah, I think this thing can stand up to the abuse that the build is suggesting. So it's just time for me to look at it. The funny thing is the automatic versions of these, I was joking about this with Levin on the Knife Nuts podcast. For anybody who doesn't know, I recently did one of their shows with them. And the automatic versions of these are absolutely insane. And it's not like a traditional, like, it's not assisted, right? So where you push the thing and the blade just flies out. And it's not a push-button automatic. It's an axis lock enabled automatic knife. So you have to put yourself in this position and pull down, and the blade flies open. The spring on the Auto Adamas is so powerful. It shocks me every single time. That's the only automatic knife, the only side-opening automatic knife I'm a little bit nervous, because you pull down and it's like, bah! You know, it's crazy. It's like it's like an ultra-powerful jack-in-the-box. It's just absolutely ridiculous. And that was apparently Levin's experience as well. So I will be looking at as many different types of the Adamas or Adamas as I possibly can here in just a few weeks. So I'm really happy to have this OG Adamas here with me. Like I said, links down below for this guy, Benchmade knives in general, and depending on when you're watching this, they'll either be available or pre-order links for the new ones down there as well. So yeah, I think that's going to be pretty much it. Thank you so much, Kyle, for sending this in, and thank you again for the gift. That was infinitely generous of you. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.